Accelerate Plus has been formulated just for you and contains the prescription ingredient tretinoin to address aging skin. This medication should only be used at night. Here's how to apply it. Remove any makeup and wash your face. Dry thoroughly. Apply a pea-sized amount to your entire face, spreading a thin layer on your cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Be sure to avoid your eyes, ears, nostrils, and mouth. Wash your hands afterwards. Side effects like burning, redness, and peeling are common with tretinoin. They usually slow or stop after about 6 weeks. If your skin is extremely irritated, you can apply the Accelerate Plus every other night or apply on top of your moisturizer. You can also log into your account at Chiral.com and ask your dermatologist for advice. They will assess your reaction and offer suggestions to ease the symptoms. If you have a severe reaction, stop using the product immediately and contact a medical professional. If you use any other of Chiral's prescription-grade products, wait at least 12 hours between applications. You can rotate applying them individually every other night.